Slow beat. Feel the pain.
In the quiet night, I call your name. Dancing lights, but my heart's in pain. You were love I tried to keep. Now you're just a dream I weave. I gave you trust, I gave my soul, but the broken love took its toll. Smiling lips, but eyes so cold. Our story ends, oh, so I'm told. You said forever, soft and low, but lies were all you chose to show. You're my East Black Rose, dark and torn, beautiful love, but full of thorns. In my heart you left a scar, shining close, but feeling far. Oh, my East Black Rose, why so cruel? Sweetest love became a wound. I still breathe your shadow close, dying slowly. My black rose. Midnight lane on empty roads, memories dance with heavy loads. Your perfume still haunts my skin. Love I lost, I couldn't win. People say time heals the pain, but missing you drives me insane. I smile outside, cry inside, with lonely tears I cannot hide. I try to run, I try to heal, but loving you was all I feel. You're my East Black Rose, dark and torn, beautiful love, but full of thorns. In my heart you left a scar, shining close, but feeling far. Oh, my East Black Rose can't let go. Even pain feels warm, you know. In this night my tears compose a broken song for Black Rose. If love is fire, let me burn. If love is loss, I never learn. Even if your heart is stone, I'll love you all alone. You're my East goodbyes, last goodbye, falling slow from tears I cried. In my soul your shadow grows forever.
Yeah. Slow dang the vibe. Black rose fading in the night. I woke up late again today. Breakfast talks, then slips away. You sent a picture smiling wide. Said I'm somewhere overseas tonight. I'm counting coins, you're counting trains. Different roads, same kind of fate. Life's funny in a quiet way. It never moves how we expect. I'm here sweeping my little space. You're chasing maps in foreign places. Different scenes, different days, but the feeling stays the same. My soulmate stopped by Europe, just passing through. They said I'm chilling here, no rush at all, just coffee, prayers, and patience. My soulmate stopped by Europe, taking photos, having fun. Distance feels a little silly when my heart knows you're the one. You talk about the colder air, I talk about the rain out here. You miss the taste of simple food, I say come home, I'll cook for you. Sometimes your signal disappears, like you're playing hide and seek. But every time your name pops up, my heart still skips a beat. I'm not jealous of the snow, I'm not scared of how far you roam. As long as you remember home, I'm good right where I am. My soulmate stopped by Europe, just circling before coming back. I'm waiting calm, no drama here. Love doesn't panic, love relax. My soulmate stopped by Europe, collecting stories, laughs and views. I keep every little longing so we can share it when we're two. If someday you're tired of airports and packed days, I'm not a tourist destination, but I'm a place to stay. My soulmate stopped by Europe, not running, just to stop along the way. I trust the timing of our lives, no maps needed when you stay. My soulmate stopped by Europe, but your heart knows where to go. When you finally say you're home, I'll be right here, nice and slow. Take your time, I'm already here. Pagi datang tanpa suara, embun masih setia di jendela. Kopi hitam temani cerita tentang mimpi yang belum sempurna. Angin kecil sentuh wajahku, langit biru mulai terbuka. Ku buka lembar hari ini dengan senyum seadanya. Tak semua harus sempurna, tak semua harus cepat. Ku peluk waktu yang berjalan pelan tapi tepat. Ini di hari pagiku, ku tulis tanpa ragu tentang harap yang sederhana, tentang aku yang belajar bahagia.
Ini di hari pagiku, nada kecil dalam kalbu. Meski dunia kadang bising, pagi mengajarkanku tenang lagi.
Langkah kaki di jalan sunyi, burung bernyanyi tanpa janji. Aku belajar menerima hari tak selalu sama. Bayangan kemarin ku letakkan di sudut hati yang damai. Hari ini ku izinkan diriku mulai lagi. Tak perlu banyak kata, tak perlu berlari, cukup jujur pada rasa dan berani jalani. Ini di hari pagiku, ku tulis tanpa ragu tentang harap yang sederhana, tentang aku yang belajar bahagia.
Ini di hari pagiku, nada kecil dalam kalbu. Meski dunia kadang bising, pagi mengajarkanku tenang lagi.
Jika nanti lelah datang, biarlah pagi mengingatkan bahwa hidup tak selalu keras. Kadang hanya butuh diikhlaskan. Ini di hari pagiku, saksi bisu langkahku. Aku tak sempurna, tapi aku terus tumbuh. Aku dan mimpi baruku, selama matahari terbit, aku percaya harapan masih hidup. Pagi ini ku tutup cerita dengan senyum yang lebih lega. jatuh pelan, seperti petikan gitar kayu yang dibunyikan pagi tanpa tergesa, membasuh daun, membasuh hati yang semalam hampir lelah. Langit tak sepenuhnya biru, namun ia tersenyum tipis. Awan berjalan santai, angin bernyanyi lirih, seolah dunia berkata, tenang, hari ini baik-baik saja. Di teras waktu aku menyeruput harapan yang masih hangat, bau tanah basah, menjadi doa kecil yang tak perlu diucap keras-keras. Gerimis tak ingin membuat sedih, ia hanya ingin menemani, seperti nada akustik yang sederhana tapi jujur, membuat langkah ringan dan dada terasa lapang. Pagi ini gembira tanpa harus riuh, cukup senyum kecil, cukup detak yang pelan, cukup aku dan hari yang baru saja dimulai dengan cara paling indah, perlahan. Gerimis jatuh pelan, seperti petikan gitar kayu yang dibunyikan pagi tanpa tergesa, membasuh daun, membasuh hati yang semalam hampir lelah. Langit tak sepenuhnya biru, namun ia tersenyum tipis. Awan berjalan santai, angin bernyanyi lirih, seolah dunia berkata, tenang, hari ini baik-baik saja. Dina lengka abdi nu sok ragu, anjeun sumping kalayan kasabaran. Dina cicing anjeun satia, ngajaga hati ngalembutkeun tatu. Nalika dunia tersaluyu anjeun maparing pangrojong tulus kalayan nasib nu teu kaungkap anjeun ngajarkeun harti satia anjeun teu kungsi nuntut sampurna ngan ukur narima abdi naon ayana dina paninggalan jeung abdi berharga sanajan ragra sababaraha kali anjeun teh wanita nu pangebatna cahaya dina poekna hirup abdi dina unggal doa ngaran anjeun salawasna aya dina hate anjeun teh wanita nu pangebatna asih anjeun sajati tur suci lamun hirup kedah dipilih deui anjeun keneh nu janten pilihan abdi dina seri anjeun nu basajang aya kakuatan nu luar biasa anjeun ikhlas nyang harapan capek demi kabagjaan kulawarga nalika abdi hilang kana syukur anjeun ingetan kalayan lemah lembut yen asih teu kedah mewah asal silih jaga jeung silih satia babarenggan jeung anjeun abdi anggian harti mulang sanes ngeunaan imah nu ageng tapi hate nu silihnya anjeun teh wanita nu pangebatna rerencangan hirup salamina dina unggal sujud abdi nyuhunkeun mugia Gusti ngajaga anjeun anjeun teh wanita nu pangebatna teu aya nu tiasa ngagantikeun dina sagala gayaan hirup anjeun salawasna aya dina jiwa upami engke waktos ngantungkeun tapak rambut janten bodas ku umur abdi miharep tiasa tetep ngabaktikeun asih ka anjeun henteu peryogi janji kaleulewihan ngan kasatiaan nepi ka akhir sabab asih anjeun mangrupa doa
pas abdi. Anjeun teh wanita nu pangebatna, anugerah pangendahna Gusti. Dina hirup sareng dina akhir, asih abdi moal roban. Anjeun teh wanita nu pangebatna, pamajikan kanyah rerencangan. Hatur nuhun parantos satia, gaaka ati salamina. Hatur nuhun kana kasabaran, dina susah oge dina baca. Wanita nu pangebatna, asih abdi salamina rasa.
From the island of the gods, Pulau Dewata Vibe, this love still alive. Isuk kene kuring hudan, inget kamane. Serilutik dina pikiran, sanajan mane sok nyebelin sautik be. Ti jauh urang kapisah laut jeung waktu, tapi hati mah tetep nyatu, always connected to you. Kadang mana sok nyamber terjelas sababna, ngadamel masalah letik, terus seri deui tungtungna. I try to understand, I try to be calm, sabab dina ribut letik, cinta urang tetep wam. Sok aya debat, sok aya salah, tapi urang teu kongsi jauh tina arah. Every fight turns into laugh, cause love like this will last. You're my lovely wife from Pulau Dewata, sanajan so drama you still make me smile. Hati ieu milik mana salawasna, forever with you I walk this life. You're my sunshine under Bali sky, even when you make me mad sometimes. I keep the peace, you keep my heart, istri tercinta till death do us part. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, Dewata Life, this beat for our story. Peting datang, sora ombak jadi carita, kuring nelepon maneh, ngobrol hal terpenting tapi bermakna. Sok ngomel, sok cemburu teu alesan, tapi teta tanda cinta lain sakadar perasaan. You test my patience every single day, but without you my world feels great. Ribut sautik, rukun deui, that's how we love, that's how we be. Sanajan jarak mindeng nguji, cinta urang teu kongsi sepi. No matter how far you are, you're always here in my heart. You're my lovely wife from Pulau Dewata, drama kecil tengah jadikeun urang pisah. Hati ieu teu boga rencana sejen, only you again and again. You're my rhythm in this beat. Nape urang diajak ngerti, lamun ambek urang pilih ngerti. Love is not about perfect life, but holding hands through bright light. You're my lovely wife from Pulau Dewata. Sok nyebelin tapi teu bisa langitin rasa. Tisuk nepi ka peting datang, ngaran mane nu salawasna ku sebut. From Bali nights to my lonely days, your love keeps me in my way. Peace, love, and little fight, istri tercinta. You're my love. Hey, hey, hey. Pulau Dewata. Monactic beat, living love. This story is real. Oh, this love is real. You said my name like it meant forever. Soft promises in midnight air. Every sentence sounded honest, but truth was never really there. Your words were sweet, they held me close, like shelter when the rain would fall. But every line you ever wrote was just a shadow on the wall. I believed every letter you gave. I read your lies like holy lines. Didn't know love could be caged inside the silence of your mind. I'm caught inside a word trap, every phrase pulling me back. You spoke love but meant goodbye, left me bleeding between the lines. I'm lost inside your language. Every promise broke my heart. You didn't love me with your soul, you only love me with your words. You knew exactly what to say to make my lonely heart stay. You painted dreams with empty ink, then watched them slowly fade away. I gave you truths, I gave you time. You gave me echoes, nothing more. I held the meaning of your voice while you were already at the door. Now I see the space is clear between the words you used to lie. Your silence speaks much louder than every baby, don't you cry. I'm caught inside a word trap, every phrase pulling me back. You spoke love but meant goodbye, left me bleeding between the lines. I'm lost inside your language. Every promise broke my heart. You didn't love me with your soul, you only love me with your words. If words could tell the truth, I wouldn't be this broken now. But lies can sound like love when spoken softly, spoken loud. I learned the hard way, dear, not every poem comes from pain. Some are written just to leave, no intention to remain. I'm done with all your word traps, no more letters in the dark.
I choose a love that stays, not sentences that tear apart. I'll walk away in silence, let my healing slowly start. I won't fall again, my love, for a heart made only of words. So keep your language, keep your lies. I found my truth in letting go. No more living in your lies. I deserve a love that shows.